tax season, and whether or not you found this video by search, by happenstance, it popped up randomly, you probably don't know the difference between tax preparation, tax planning, and tax strategy. And you absolutely should, because whether you are a W-2 wage earner, whether you are an entrepreneur, a business owner, have a side hustle, knowing the difference between these three are gonna help you keep more cash in your pocket, gonna elevate your wealth building, and really help you drill down on exactly what you need to be doing based on your unique situation. By the end of this video, you are gonna know the difference, trust me. But before we jump in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I don't want you to miss out on any wealth building information. We can't afford to. Now, let's get after it. What is tax preparation? Tax preparation is really compliance. This is whether you are gathering all of your third-party documents, your W-2s, your 1098s, your charitable contributions, and you are using that information to prepare your tax return. That is all it is. It is our checking that box because the government says we have to actually file our tax return. And whether or not you owe or get a refund, that's just straight tax preparation. Everybody has to do it by April 15th, but it has nothing to do with you saving on your tax bill. Tax planning is literally you going throughout the year and trying to minimize your taxes. You being a little bit more thoughtful and saying to yourself, maybe I should give something over to a charity. Perhaps I should contribute to my retirement account. What can I do to lower my tax bill? It's you really starting to think about your taxes, forecast your taxes, know exactly what you're gonna owe, or perhaps get a refund by April 15th. And you're doing this all throughout the year. But is this going to get you ultimately where you need to go? It's definitely going to help you, because everybody needs to be doing tax planning. Strategic tax planning is where you absolutely want to be. You are going to be the contractor of your tax bill, of your tax liability. You are going to control it. And how you're going to control it is you are going to be thoughtful in every decision that you make all throughout the year to make certain that you're doing it from a tax perspective. I want you to kind of think about going on a weight loss journey. Everything that you start to consume, you have to start thinking about those calories. Is this worth it? Is it not worth it? That is how you're going to be thinking about strategic tax planning. You're going to be making moves, money moves, investments to reduce your tax bill. You're going to do it legally. You're going to use the tax code. You're going to be looking at your business structure. You're going to be thinking about your financial goals and everything surrounding it. And every time money's in motion, you're going to think tax. This is how the wealthy, the rich lower their tax bill, and this is how you're going to lower your tax bill too. And when you know better, you absolutely have to do better. You have to understand strategic planning. You have to understand tax preparation. You have to understand tax planning, because that is the only way that you are going to build wealth and keep your cash in your pocket. And when you know better, you got to do better, which is why you got to like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep you updated on all things taxes.